Hi everybody, welcome to this PaloScan demonstration which covers WellTop's QC and geological interpretation. During this presentation, you will see how you can interactively manage well logs, calculate composite logs, and QC your seismic interpretation by combining logs, markers, horizon stacks, arbitrary lines, and well markers QC table. PaloScan well correlation workflow starts from log data management through geological correlation and finish with well markers QC. The calculator tool enables to use as input any log from the database, include it within a formula, and then save both the formula and the composite log. Logs can be organized within Log Viewer, then drop to a 3D view. A flattening mode is available within log viewers and enables to visually detect mismatches between horizons and markers, either related to wrong marker's position or lack of seismic interpretation. Then, those mismatches can be quantified thanks to the well QC table. Additionally, PaloScan automatically detects the nearest horizons. The result can be compared with the log viewer. Finally, this analysis can be combined with arbitrary lines along wells. Once a log is displayed within a log viewer, it remains possible to navigate through the viewer thanks to the mouse cursor in order to detect any value of the curve. The calculator tool enables to use as input any log from the database, for instance the gamma ray, in order to use it as a variable within a formula of your choice, for instance the volume of shale, to finally compute a composite log. The preview of the result can be displayed. It still remains possible to modify the formula by including pre-encoded functions or pre-saved formulae or variables. The formula can be saved within the database. You can then reuse it if you need to do so. And you can compute the composite log, which will be the output of the process. Once saved within the database, the new log can be matched within the log viewer with the input one. We are currently comparing the gamma ray with the volume of shale. We can display another kind of log, for instance the acoustic impedance. We can select the curve and add a log area to this curve. This log area can be customized thanks to the color bar dock window. We can change the palette or customize the color spectrum. And once you reach a proper result, you just have to select the track in order to save a template. Once the template is saved within the database, you can reopen it, apply this customization to the series of wells of interest, and automatically PaloScan displays a new log viewer which contains all the acoustic impedance log of all the selected wells. You can add to the display the well markers, and so once they are displayed within the log viewer, you can see the correlation across the different wells. If you display a seismic viewer, You are now able to correlate in 3D the position of the log viewers with the seismic data just by using the cross navigation. By switching and moving from a log to another one, you automatically update the position of your mouse cursor. It remains possible to drop to the seismic volume viewer any log area in order to display in 3D the logs. That can be done for each log of interest. Once it is done, you can still cross-navigate through your seismic data and your log viewer. PaloScan automatically respects the customization of the acoustic impedance log. You can now go further in the correlation by displaying a horizon stack viewer. Once it is displayed, you can customize the intersection style of your horizon stack, for instance, by changing the intersection line from a straight line to a dashed line. It remains possible to discriminate the intersection of markers from the intersection of the horizon stack. Each time you change the displayed horizon, you can easily visualize the position of your horizon stack within your log viewer. You can still cross-navigate from the log viewer or from the horizon stack. You can search for the best position of your horizon stack in order to fit any marker of interest. And you can use another tool named the Horizon Marker Flattening in order to flatten your log viewer according to your horizon stack. You can then search for the best horizon in order to fit any marker. Any horizon can be saved from your horizon stack within the database. In order to go further in this correlation, if you want to quantify the vertical distance between your markers and horizon, you can use the well markers QC table, select any well and corresponding markers. Then, thanks to horizons from database or horizon stack, PaloScan will automatically search for the nearest horizon. Once it is done, you have a multitude of cells which highlights the vertical distance between automatically detected horizons and markers. You can display the intersections of your horizons, and at any moment you can save those horizons apart from the horizon stack in order to have them independently within your database. You can appreciate vertical shift between markers and horizons from your log viewer, and you can of course save your well markers QC table. The cross navigation still works from both the well QC table and the log viewer. By displaying an arbitrary line along wells, we can finalize this work of QC. All the logs are displaying within the same panel and matched with the seismic data, with the intersection of the chosen and automatically detected horizons. And so by clicking within a cell or another one, we automatically jump from a log to another one. So we can visually appreciate the proper correlation between both the logs and between horizons and markers. This job of QCing enables us to optimize secondary process such as property modeling just by matching the result of properties modeling with the log panel display. We just have to correlate and homogenize the display of the color palette in order to be sure that the distribution of the log properties is exactly the same as the logs. So as a conclusion, well data such as logs, markers, can be easily managed and created, then displayed and used for correlations. They can be combined with horizon stacks in order to identify critical stratigraphic surfaces. Furthermore, the well-markers QC table enables to quantify inconsistencies between markers and seismic interpretation, also providing an optimization of secondary processes such as properties modeling. I thank you for your attention, and please feel free to join us on LinkedIn, YouTube channel, and on our website. See you soon.